Navigation. The navigation procedures for all ANWA, Chartplotters and MFD are essentially identical. Here, we demonstrate with the KP27 Chartplotter as an example. Go to waypoint. 1. Press the X key to display the function window. 2. Choose Go to Waypoint and then press Tick key to select. The waypoint list appears. 4. Choose a waypoint. And then press Tick key to finish. Go to route. 1. Press the X key, select Go to route, and then press the Tick key. 2. Select New and then press the Tick key. 3. Select the waypoint you want to include in the route, for example, 006, and press the Tick key. If needed, you can also create new waypoints. 4. Repeat step 3 until the route is complete. Five. After completion, press the cross key and select the route you need. 6. Select forward or reverse and press the Tick key. Go to cursor. 1. Press X key to display the function window. 2. Choose Go to cursor and then press Tick key to select. 3. The cursor appears with. 4. Use the cursor pad to place the cursor on the location desired for destination. 5. Press the Tick key to mark destination. Go to track. 1. Press the X key to display the function window. 2. Choose Go to track and then press the Tick key to select. The saved track window will appear. 3. Choose the track that you want to set as destination and then press Tick key. 4. Choose forward or reverse to start Go to track navigation. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.